How about a Jack Frost, Washington, D.C.? How about a Jack Frost, Washington, D.C., 612 West Coast of Canada? You're fishing for skip here. How about a DX land? How about a DX land, 612 West Coast of Canada breaking? How about a DX land? How about a DX land, 612 West Coast of Canada? Let's fish for some skip. Somebody might bite. How about it skip land? How about it skip land, 612 West Coast of Canada break? How about a DX land? How about a DX land, 612 on the West Coast of Canada breaking? I hear somebody out there calling 612, very faint. Bring it back, 612. 612, West Coast of Canada waving.
Yeah, 612, 68, West Virginia.
68 West Virginia, we got you, man. We got you. 68 West Virginia, 612 West Coast of Canada. We're waving at you. That's awesome. Well, we made one contact. Thanks a lot for the comeback. 68 West Virginia, 612 West Coast of Canada, reading it. That's fishing for skip when there's no skip.
149, 68, West Virginia, waving.
Unreal.